Just want to do a quick video of this simple bike rack. It's solely made of 2x4 scrap lumber I have. And the structure is super simple, right? It basically have this like a cross sections and then two rails. The idea is that you want to create this kind of gap is slightly larger than the width of your tire, such that the bike can like stand in between these gaps, right? And another point to point out is that notice these like a cross sections has like an angle. That's mainly to prevent the contact or clash between the handles, right? This is such that you can park them in like a 45-degree instead of parallel. It will prevent the touching of these handles. That saves a lot of space. So this is just a very quick idea. I think this is a super simple build. It only took me about less than an hour in the afternoon. If you don't care about the look, you don't even need to cut this like a 45-degree angle cut, right? You can just make it straight, and it just protrude a little bit. It doesn't look as professional, but it doesn't hurt at all. It works, right? That's the main point. So just want to throw out this idea. I hope this is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.
だからこの坂に立つ花火と共に